Folks, today we are diving into 3 penny stocks to watch now that have the potential to make you rich. These are not random names pulled from a list. These are companies backed by strong fundamentals, disruptive business models, promising financials, and even some high-profile endorsements that Wall Street is beginning to take seriously. So if you're serious about making money in the stock market, make sure to watch till the end and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market. First on our list is DataVault AI, trading under the ticker DVLT. DataVault AI is not your average penny stock. It is a company operating in one of the most explosive areas of technology, data sciences with artificial intelligence. Specifically, DataVault AI specializes in AI-driven data experience, valuation, and monetization in the Web 3.0 environment. What this means is that DataVault isn't just analyzing data like traditional companies, but actually creating ways for businesses to extract real value from data in a decentralized, blockchain-integrated world. Financially, the company is starting to show serious progress. In the second quarter of 2025, revenue grew 467% year-over-year, hitting $1.7 million. That's still a small number, but the growth rate is what excites investors. On top of that, DataVault booked an additional $2.5 million in licensing revenue that hasn't even been recognized yet, meaning future quarters are likely to show strong performance as well. The company also secured a massive $150 million strategic investment from Silex Holding Company, which could eliminate its debt entirely through a BTC-based investment structure. Add in the fact that DataVault now holds a portfolio of 72 issued, allowed, and pending patents, and you can see the building blocks of a technology powerhouse. Sure, the company had to pivot away from its earlier audio technology business. And yes, competition in AI and data analytics is intense, but the ability to reinvent itself in a sector with exponential growth potential is exactly what makes DVLT so appealing. If management can successfully close and execute the Silex deal, then this company will not only have the capital needed to expand, but will also have Wall Street's trust firmly on its side. Of course, Wall Street isn't blind to what's going on here. Just recently, Maxim Group upgraded DVLT from hold to strong buy, setting a target price of $3, while average analyst expectations go even higher with a $7 target. To put this in perspective, the current stock price sits at just 83 cents. For long-term investors, that represents several 100% upside potential if the company can execute on its strategy. Next on our list is Skin Sciences, ticker SSGAN. This is a medtech company operating in the therapeutic and aesthetic dermatology space, developing non-invasive tools to treat conditions that affect millions worldwide. While it may not have the flashy blockchain appeal of DataVault, Strata is tackling a massive healthcare market with real science and innovation. But like many penny stocks, Strata has faced its fair share of financial challenges. In the second quarter of 2025, revenue came in at $7.7 million, which marked a 9% decline compared to the prior year. Recurring revenue, which is critical for long-term stability, was down 4% year-over-year to $5.1 million, and equipment sales dropped 18% to $2.5 million. Gross profit also slipped to $4.3 million from $5 million the year before. On top of that, operating expenses increased from $5.5 million to $6.5 million, pushing the company deeper into losses. The net loss ballooned to $2.5 million for the quarter, with an EPS of negative 60 cents compared to a much smaller loss last year. Cash reserves sat at $6.0 million as of June 30th, 2025, which means the company will need to manage its burn rate carefully or secure additional funding. Despite the financial setbacks, Wall Street analysts remain optimistic about Strata's long-term future, largely because of its breakthrough research and proven product effectiveness. In fact, 2 Wall Street analysts issued 12-month price targets recently, with an average target of $3.25. The high forecast sits at $4 and the low at $2.50, all of which represent meaningful upside from the current stock price of $1.96. If the company can stabilize revenue and turn scientific momentum into commercial adoption, then SSGAN could easily double or more from current levels. For investors looking for exposure to cutting-edge medical technology without paying big-cap biotech prices, Skin Sciences offers a compelling opportunity. Last on our list is Soluna Holdings, ticker SLNH, a company that is uniquely positioned at the crossroads of renewable energy and high-performance computing. Soluna's business model revolves around converting stranded renewable energy resources, things like excess wind and solar power that would otherwise go unused, into productive computational work. This includes Bitcoin mining, artificial intelligence, and machine learning workloads. In short, Soluna is finding a way to monetize energy that would otherwise go to waste, while simultaneously powering some of the most demanding computational tasks of the modern era. Financially, Soluna is still working its way toward profitability, but recent improvements are encouraging. In the second quarter of 2025, adjusted EBITDA improved by $0.4 million compared to the prior quarter, thanks to a steady 19% gross margin and tighter expense control. Net losses declined year-over-year by $1.4 million, despite some headwinds from declining Bitcoin hash price, which fell 5% to $51. Importantly, the company avoided significant interconnection outages that previously weighed on performance, showing resilience in its operations. While challenges remain, including costs associated with interest, taxes, and fees, management is clearly steering the company toward greater efficiency and scalability. When it comes to price forecasts, opinions are divided. Short-term models predict the stock could hit $3.90 within a month, compared to the current price of $2.84. Looking out to 2026, however, some projections suggest the price could fall as low as 76 cents before rebounding to 70 cents by 2030. These long-term forecasts highlight just how uncertain penny stock investing can be. But what cannot be denied is that Soluna is operating in one of the most important spaces of the future, renewable energy married to AI and blockchain computing. If the company executes on even a fraction of its gigawatt-scale pipeline, then the upside could be enormous. Well, that concludes our list of 3 penny stocks to watch right now. We looked at DataVault AI, a data sciences innovator making bold moves in AI and blockchain. Strataskin Sciences, a medtech disruptor with groundbreaking vitiligo treatment technology. And Soluna Holdings, a renewable energy play converting wasted resources into powerful computational infrastructure. Each of these companies comes with risks, as all penny stocks do, but each also presents a unique opportunity in high-growth industries. If you're looking for penny stocks with the potential to deliver massive returns, these names should definitely be on your radar. Remember to always do your own due diligence and never invest money you cannot afford to lose. And if you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the hottest stocks in the market.